Hello guys, so welcome back to our second part from the tutorial. So in this part we're gonna work on the lighting and the texturing. So let's start. We're gonna activate the render view and we're gonna activate this lighting. I already have a default light setup and it's making from the key the 3-point light, so the key and the fill and the backlight. And now let's jump to making the texture. So let's select our bottle and give it a material, and from let's go to the view and let's move this reference so we can see our product. Let's put our product in the folder and we can see now our reference and we can work on it. So we have black material and we can see a lot of reflection here, and our material looks like a metallic, so let's give it 0.4 and let's try to reduce the roughness, and he looks beautiful. So let's go to the top part and give it another material and make it black, and I think the roughness is already looking great. Let's go to the deco part and let's only give it this one and this one. We don't need to make a lot of them. Let's back to inside our bottle. We can see that our reference have a white one or gray. Let's go to the render view so we can see it from here. Let's go to the edit mode, select this and Control plus. Sorry, I don't know, I think we have selected another thing by mistake. Control plus. Good. I think this is enough. Let's make another material and a new one and assign it, and let's deactivate this, and perfect, it looks white from the inside. Now let's go to the label, a new material, name it label, and let's go to this side and UV shader editor. Good. Let's bring our label. You can see it's only a simple texting and a simple color in the background, nothing fancy. Let's drop it and drag and drop it, and let's connect the color with the base color, and we can see we don't have any texture, so the problem is in the UV editor. You will not see nothing because you need to be in the edit mode and select all, so we can select everything, and let's select the top points, G to move it with Y, so we can move it to the top. Good. G, Y. Good. And let's select the bottom point, G, Y, and Great. Let's go to the front view. Let's activate render and let's get the edit mode. Go to set origin to geometry, so we can have our axis in the middle, and R to rotate it and Z to the Z axis. Let's make it the middle so he will be in the front. Okay. I think we and the material. Now let's start to making our scene. Good. Let's get from this. And now we need to make a cylinder. And first of all, we need to edit our view or the resolution. Good. Think this looks better. Okay. Increase it a little bit. Down. Maybe more. Okay, that's good. So we can adjust. So the key light need to be the one who is giving. I think let's start from the beginning. That will be better. And make the axis in the middle. In the middle for our object. And let's go to the light and area. Put it inside the light. Name it key light or key, just key. Go to constraints and edit track to name this one target, and let's target our target. Move it a little bit. From here, let's camera so we can see it. So our camera is from here, so let's move it to this one. I think before aiming on. Okay, let's continue. Just continue. We don't see anything happening because our light is so weak. So if we increase the power, we can see the reflection. Maybe just a little. I want a good reflection on our product. And let's go to other side, but we need to make this weaker. Maybe like this. This is too much. Okay. Okay. And the one from behind. You can see here. If I zoom it, you will see clear. Okay, that's good reflection on our product. So this the key and this one the fill. and this one back. That's great. I want, let me just check it. Okay, so I want all my lights to only focus or put in light only on our product. So we can go to the object, shading and light linking and drag our product here. You can't see because now you can see. And this one too for the fill. Now you see he's not giving the light on our cylinder. Let's go to the key, the same thing, and now all the lights are affecting only the object. Okay, so we need to give a light for our cylinder, a light and a spotlight, and put it inside the lights, and let's give it track to our target. Now he is looking to our target, and let's give it stronger light. Let's see how much we need. I think this one looks better. Okay, I want some light here so we can see our product. We forgot to edit something. We can see that our label is not looking impressive. We can go to the shading editor and increase the metallic. Now he's looking way better. And what we need also to do, I want to edit my cylinder so we can give it better geometry. Select the face and ES extrude inside. I think this will be enough, and Control R. Good. Another one. Let's give it more loop cut. I think this will be enough. If you want, we can edit a subdivision surface, and let's give it shade auto smooth, and our cylinder looks perfect. Let's give it a material, and it needs to be a gold one. So you can see, guys, we didn't change the color of our cylinder, but he's still white. Sorry, we didn't change the color of the light, but because our material is gold, let's give it a gold one to match it with the label. You can see we get a really good effect. Now let's go to the back and R and X and 90 and scale it. Scale it. Looks good. Let's try to this key. I want to try something. Make the plane go behind. Okay. And let's give this one red material. Okay, and metallic one. Yeah, that looks really great. Okay, try to just trying, guys, to get the best result. So you can play with the metallic and the roughness, so we can get the best result. Let's add one more I want, because you can see our edge is very dark. We can't even see the difference, and I want to separate our cylinder from our background. And let's make a light and scale it and drag it. By the way, we can, I think we need to drag it a little bit, and let's have this one. Let's go to this side, give it more power. Try this one. Rotate it a little bit if you want it to make it stronger. You can drag it to the top, and if you want it less, you can drag it down. And I think we are done. So you can play with it more, so you can get a better result. And that's it, guys, for this tutorial. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget to support me, guys.